The new Garmin watch has joined the morning report function. This can provide you with all the important information you need for the day every morning. You don't have to press any buttons when you wake up in the morning. The morning report will greet you good morning. Pressing the down button will take you to the prompt, end sleep. Press down to keep sleeping. If you're up, press start to end sleep. Your watch will begin to show your morning report. The timing of morning report is based on 1 hour before the sleep and wake up time you set in GCM. The watch will provide you with 10 kinds of information in the default mode, which includes training readiness. Press the start key to enter. You can see the sleep quality, recovery time, HRV status, acute load, sleep history, and stress history. Select a single item and press the start key to view more, and press the back key to return to the previous page. Workout. You can see the details of daily training recommendations. Sleep score. Learn about last night's sleep score, status, and suggested comments from here. For the watch to calculate the sleep score, you need at least 3 hours of sleep. HRV status. This is the average HRV status of the past 7 days, which is a reference for long-term monitoring of physical fatigue. This value will only appear after wearing the watch continuously for at least 3 weeks. Body battery. The body battery index ranges from 0 to 100. 0 to 25 represents low energy reserves. 26 to 50 represents moderate reserves. 51 to 75 represents high reserves. And 76 to 100 represents very high reserves. Weather. You need to connect your mobile phone GCM to get today's weather data. Press the start key to enter. Then you can view the hourly weather forecast for the day, the daily weather for the week, and the probability of rainfall. The last page is dew point, humidity, and UV index. Calendar. Here, the content of your calendar on your phone is displayed simultaneously, up to today and tomorrow's schedule. Intensity minutes. To maintain good health, at least 150 minutes per week of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week, such as running. The watch will tell you if you have reached your goal. Steps goal. You can track your daily steps, goal steps, and distance for 7 days. In addition, if you have a recorded menstrual cycle in your health data, an additional menstrual tracking page will be displayed by default. If you select pregnancy in the cycle type, you will see the record screen of the weeks and days of pregnancy. At the end, the words of cheer will be sent to start a new day. How to edit the content of the morning report on your watch. First, hold the up button to go into menu. Scroll down and select Appearance. Scroll down and select Morning Report. In here, you can also select Turn off or turn on Morning Report function. Or select Edit Report to customize information being shown in Morning Report. The order of the content can be adjusted by yourself. Besides, you can also enter your English name. You can also edit your morning report content on your Garmin Connect mobile app to customize the morning report. That's all for now for today's tutorial. For further assistance, please visit support.garmin.com.